We live in Chiang Mai, Thailand, our third month, and there exists one big reason for that. We found a place which makes us feel comfortable and cozy, and today we want to talk about it and show what exactly makes us feel like at home. Viangbua Mansion was built and decorated in Lanna Oriental style, which related to Thai-Northen culture. The name Viang Bua comes from the street name and in English means town of Lotus. That's why Lotus is the main symbol in here. All over this interior and exterior you can find some patterns, statues or shapes of lotus. It represents peace, enlightenment, simplicity and charming. We are staying in a house which is located nearby mansion, but we always warm welcome in here. And today, for the first time, we're gonna see rooms in a mansion. I'm so curious to see how does it look like. Engin, are you curious?
Yes, I am. I really wanted to see them. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, we arrived for our first room. It's located on 7th floor. Actually, in this house is like 79 rooms. Can you imagine? I didn't think about it, but yeah, here's like 79. And let's go for this first room. Let's see. So this is, we can say it's like an apartment which divided on two parts. So here you can see kind of living room with a TV where people can gather, and we have like one cabinet corner. Wow, I want to try this chair. Oh, it's good. It's tough. You would like to work here.
So definitely.
It's separate this room for two parts, and here kitchen and dining room. So this kitchen pretty enough. I don't know what you can wish more for kitchen. It's so simple, it's in one line. You have glasses, cups, pans. So I believe that here could stay couple who lives for a long time, or here could be a family. Let's take a look what we have in a second part of the apartment.
Where?
I'm here.
Where?
There is two doors, but it's created for good ventilation actually.
Yeah, but it's just funny.
Here is bedroom. Looks nice, simple. I see that here also like central ventilation hidden in the ceiling. It's very good for health. Lady table. Yeah, you can also work here, or you can make your makeup style. Wardrobe. Oh, look, even with the light. And as we know, owners of this mansion told us that this tile is hand painted. So each tile was painted by hand. Main idea, Lotus is balancing on the waves. Like something cool. And here also behind the bed, these walls also have good luck meaning. So there are some elements like fish means wealth, swarms, they also means good luck, and logo of Viang Bua. But it really looks so nice. And the most interesting, to be honest, for me, it's a bathroom. Look at this bathroom. It's like a separated room. So we have shower, which has a own door, toilet, which you also can close, and it doesn't make problem if someone use restroom, someone can use bathroom or sink. Here, this area for sink, you have even natural light, you have big mirror, and bathroom. The style imitates natural stone. You can see here also imitation of woods. And even this bathroom has a balcony. Ooh, how cool is it?
We have the Chiang Mai mountain here.
I'm pretty sure it's a pleasure to stay in this room. But I'm so excited to see President Room. Like President Room, as I understand, is located like penthouse, the top of everything. So let's see. I even don't know from where to start. It's so huge. I have never been before in a president room, so I was so excited to see that. And of course, architects have done a great job here. But the one thing that make this mansion is the best for us, it's people. From our first coming here, we felt support and kindness. Everyone smiles to you and tries to be helpful. Security guys, housekeepers, managers, restaurant workers, all of them like one big family, and it doesn't matter who does which job.
Almost 70% of our time we spend here in Viangbua Mansion. In the morning really early, I use it for the fitness, later on Lena use it, and then we go to their restaurant, which is really tasty and cheap, amazing.
It's delicious, always fresh, and
Yeah.
prices like street food.
And the area that you're seeing behind us, we actually talked about it before, we are using as a co-working area, really relaxing, calm, nice music, and
Air condition.
it's amazing. So that was it for today. If you ever come to Chiang Mai, Thailand, we will definitely recommend you this place, Viangbua Mansion.
And I believe you will feel here peaceful, comfortable and safe as we do.
Yeah, let's enjoy now. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. Is it Lanna Architect?
Yes.
Cool. Right,